Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Anyways, our Lenha Courtyard is our target street. So we're gonna go back to the Courtyard area. And then we're going to go, looks popular. Oh, I see the storage. So the storage is up above. We're going to open this up a little bit. And now we're out on the main street. So this main street is Pedro de las da Silva, which is just right here. Okay, this is Lenha Courtyard, and you kind of have this. This is a pretty good restaurant right here. This is Bistro de Indochina, and then you also have all these kind of interesting little courtyard space, and you can also go all the way down that way. I might tap into that slightly, and then basically the courtyard is going to be directly up this way, and then we're going to basically go up this way, and then I'm going to show you where this fado in the window is. And they're still not playing. They just finished playing, but I'm gonna play a little bit of the video that I saw that I had of them. Then we're also gonna show off some of the stuff around here, like this Japanese place, that coffee shop, and then of course this one as well. So stay tuned. This is all on Lenha Courtyard. Okay, Lenha Courtyard. That's the Bistro Indochina. So we're going to go into this slightly, and there's a coffee shop right here, and then we're going to go into this little alley, and then we're going to come back. So let me just kind of see what's here first. So yeah, this coffee shop, you can see it goes all the way through, and we're going to go through it in a second. We're going to go around the other way. And that's the this is all new, so they just created this one to the left, right, and then this was this little alleyway that goes all the way down, and then you can meander down this way and all the way across in that way. So let me just kind of walk in briefly. This isn't our courtyard, but this is basically like a little alley. But if you go all the way down, it'll meander into the Angel Street. So we'd have to kind of navigate like that and go all the way down. And then if you can see some of these other buildings, there's Grand Lisboa Casino. So that might be a reference. That's also used to be a Catholic building, I think. But that might be a little bit of a reference. But anyways, our Lenha Courtyard is our target street. So we're gonna go back to the Courtyard area. And then we're going to go back to where the fado was at. So this is a new building right here called Trillion Court, and then this is our courtyard. You can see a nice balcony all the way up at the top. We just kind of navigate. So I don't know what's in these ones, but we're just gonna move the camera over a little bit. So this is all this little Lenha Courtyard. And we're gonna navigate up to the main street. That's Indochina. Pretty nice little space. So let's go on up. So yeah, this little courtyard. I guess this is coffee and luggage storage. So I guess you can actually store your luggage here, so that's good for tourists. Looks popular. Oh, I see the storage. So the storage is up above. Pretty cool little alley. There's our target street right there. Lenha Courtyard. We're gonna open this up a little bit, and now we're out on the main street. So this main street is Pedro de las da Silva, which is this right here. And then this goes all the way down to the Portuguese bookstore. Let's just walk down slightly. So we're gonna go across in a moment. We also have all these other little patios, which are, this is a really nice one. I'm just gonna walk in briefly, just because you can see that there are these patios everywhere. And then this one will have its own boutique shops. Looks a little bit closed today, but you can see some of them. Some of the gates are closed, but they go all the way up. And that's actually a pretty nice little art space, potentially. Here's a salon review. There's a few coffee shops up there too. And it opens up into this beautiful courtyard, which goes to another interesting spot, which is this little shrine. And there's a lot of nice stuff up that way. But we're gonna stay faithful to our Lenha Courtyard, which is straight ahead. And so Lenha Courtyard is off of this Pedro de las da Silva Street. Then our courtyard was directly downhill, down that way. And then this one goes to the Portuguese bookstore. And then this other way goes to the Portuguese consulate. So we're just gonna come out like this and try to capture down this way, and then we're gonna show you a little bit of where they had fado in the janela, and I think that'll be a nice ending to this one because they've been having this fado for the whole week. And also was able to talk to David, who works here in this building, and he actually told me a little bit about the plans for fado in the janela. Fado is Portuguese traditional music, really beautiful, melodic, and they had it right here in this window, so that was really cool. I'll show a little bit of that as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And our focus street was, it's just down that way, Lenha Courtyard. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.